In AutoCAD, layers organize objects in a drawing. You can organize objects by function or purpose. Layers also reduce the visual complexity of a drawing by hiding information you don't need to view. This also improves display performance. While you can have as many layers as you wish in AutoCAD, only one layer can act as the current layer. All new objects are drawn on the current layer by default. In the ribbon, Layers panel, the name of the current layer displays. In this case, the layer is titled 0. Layer 0 is the default base layer of all AutoCAD drawings, and it cannot be renamed or deleted. Typical industry practice is to create multiple layers before you begin drawing, rather than creating all drawing objects on layer 0. With a drawing open that has multiple layers, from the ribbon, Layers panel, expand the Layers drop-down. Select a layer. In this case, a layer titled Furniture is selected. Notice that the current layer name updates accordingly. Anything you create will be placed on the current layer. Back on the ribbon, Draw Tool, select Circle. In the drawing area, create a circle to represent a table. To verify the layer of any object, just hover the cursor over the object and a tooltip displays, indicating the object properties. These include the object's type, color, layer, and line type. Double-click the object to display the Quick Properties palette. The properties displayed here include the same as the tooltip plus other information. However, you can use this palette to change the layer of the object. From the palette, expand the Layer drop-down. A list of all drawing layers displays. From here, you can select another layer to assign the object. On your keyboard, press Escape twice to close the drop-down and the palette. Double-click another object in the drawing to review its properties, including its assigned layer. When you're finished, press Escape. Locate an object that is not on the current layer and click it once. In this case, a door is selected. Notice in the ribbon Layers panel that the current layer updates to be the layer that the door is placed on. In this example, the layer is titled Doors. Now, with the same object still selected, press Ctrl and click an object that is on a different layer. This time, the current layer is not listed in the ribbon because both objects are on different layers. Press Escape to deselect the objects. Expand the Layers drop-down again and select another layer. Hover your cursor over the circle you just drew. The Properties tooltip now indicates the layer that the object was created on, while the current layer remains set to the one you selected. Knowing how to switch between layers and how to determine which layers that objects are placed on can provide much-needed organization to your drawings and streamline your workflows.